Hello and welcome back to Mighty Automation. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the process of creating a new project in Siemens TIA Portal. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorials on industrial automation and PLC programming. First, let's open up the TIA Portal software. You can find the icon on your desktop or in the program files. Click on the Start New Project option. Input a project name and location. Press on Create button to create a new project. Open Project View. Let's add a new Siemens S7-1200 PLC to this project. Congratulations! You've successfully created a new project in Siemens TIA Portal. In this video, we covered the entire process, from starting a new project to add PLC to the project. Stay tuned for more tutorials on PLC programming, automation, and industrial control systems. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit from it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.